So hello guys, welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 beta 3 release out and what's new in iPhone and iPad. iOS 14.5 beta 3 is rolling out to register developer today, coming 2 weeks after release of the iOS 14.5 beta 2. iOS 14.5 pack a variety of new features including the ability to unlock your iPhone using Apple Watch. Today release of the third beta make define two new features and changes. iOS 14.5 beta 3 is currently available via Apple's developer web portals. It does not have rollout over a air just yet, which is why you might not see the via settings app. iOS 14.5 beta 3 should be soon available to developer via over the air update in setting apps. The build number for today's update is 18E5164H. In additional iOS 14.5 beta 3, Apple has also released the third developer beta of iPadOS iOS 14.5. There are no updates to Apple TV and Apple Watch yet. Today's release of the iOS 14.5 beta 3 is likely to continue making refine to all of these features. We expect Apple to slow down on additional new features to iOS 14.5 and instead focus on refinement. The update is likely to release to general public sometime spring. App transparency privacy features. iOS 14.5 beta 3 versions is available on iPhone all models like iPhone 6, 6s, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, XR, XS Max, iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, 12 and also 12 Pro Max. So guys, in iOS 14.5 beta 3 versions enable new items tab in Find My to track AirTags and also third-party accessories in iPhone and iPad. In iOS 14.5 beta 3 versions add items new features available in iPhone as well as iPads. Apple today's released the third iOS 14.5 beta to developers. Following to another betas, some nice features and changes for iPad and iPhone users. With today's beta's release, the company has enabled the new items tab in Find My app, which will allow user to track the AirTags and also third-party accessories in iPhone and iPad easily. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 beta 3 review in iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.